What's up, my good people? Welcome guys to Tech Explorers, and in today's video we'll be having a look on YouTube handles. How can you be able to choose or set a new YouTube handle? How do you go about it? Let's have a look. Recently, with the latest YouTube updates, they have rolled out what you call the YouTube handles. YouTube handles is just equivalent to what we have on Facebook, Twitter, Telegram. We have the profile name and we have the username. So the username is like that is the handle itself. That is now when it comes to YouTube. So how can you be able to choose a YouTube handle? How do you go about it? So I already have a YouTube account here, so we'll be setting a YouTube handle. So all I need to do is just click here. Just need to click this icon and go to your channel. You have your channel here. I want us now, because at the moment, if you have not set your YouTube handle, YouTube have actually given you a random. YouTube have actually given you a random. That is what you call a random handle. So you can see, for example, mine is at Senior Tech 0168. Actually, I did set this one. They just gave me a random. That is a random handle. So in case you have not chosen your YouTube handle, you have a random, that is YouTube handle. You can actually change and have that is more customized YouTube handle that is easier to remember. As you can see here, they have also updated that is a YouTube, that is a not just they have also updated that is a YouTube link, the custom link. The custom link, you can see the first part of the link is www.youtube.com, then a backslash, then the rest of the part you have that is the YouTube handle. Then this is the tab that I have just opened because I'm on the videos tab. So that is how you'll be able to create a custom URL. So the custom URL it's not like the old custom URL that we used to set before. So in this case, the custom URL will have what you call will have your YouTube handle. So let's go to customize and try to change our YouTube handle and see how it goes down. So it's very easy. It was just an easier way, so that for example, you can easily be able to tag your friends, that is on the comment section. Also, for example, in the video, in the video description, you can be able to tag. That is a creator. Like in the initial stages, you could not be able to. For example, a small creator could not be able to tag a big YouTube creator. That is a content creator. For example, if you have like 1,000 subscribers, you could not be able to tag somebody who has 1 million subscribers. But now, when YouTube rolled out what you call the YouTube handle, you can be able to tag any creator. If they have 100,000 subscribers and you have 2 subscribers, you can be able to tag them into your videos and they will receive that notification. So this is what you call the YouTube handle, just right here. So we can change this one to something more better. Let me give it, for example, I can give it for example, my name. Can give it my name. You can just call it Peter Caris and see how if the handle is available. So you'll actually you can see the system syncing here, and you can see currently the handle is not available. Meaning there is somebody who is already using this handle. So I can just give it like 255 and see if the handle is available. And you can see the handle is available, and this button is checked. So you just need to click publish and see. Then after we publish, we can just type here that is www.youtube. then we have to include a backslash here. Then we can include our channel name. The channel name, that is Peter Caris 255. Just click enter. Okay, just a minute, I think I messed up something. That is Peter Caris 255. That is Peter Caris 255. Oh, I didn't include what you call the www. Yeah, www.youtube/. Let me reload the link again. Oh, you need to have an @ here, because to show that these are YouTube handle. So that's the reason why the link is not. That's why the link is not loading. So I just need to include @ there. Then I can just reload, and you can see I have been able to open my channel. So this is a new method. This is a new URL. This is a new custom URL that has been rolled out by, that is YouTube. It's not like the initial one. You could go to the YouTube URL, that is custom URL. then you have to select the you have to select that is you have to create a custom URL. It's a very easy method. It's an easy process to create, that is to be able to change your YouTube handle and create a custom URL. That's all we have for today, guys. Kindly don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.